guys, welcome to another episode where we are learning about option strategy. In this video, we are going to learn about a strategy called Strangle. In Strangle, first we learn about long strangle. Long strangle is very similar to long straddle. Long strangle is also used when you know the market is going to move in one direction significantly. In long strangle, you buy out of the money call option and out of the money put option. If the market moves in either direction, you are supposed to make profit. And in case the market moves sideways, you might face huge losses. Once you know which direction the market is going to move, you can get rid of the other position. The other strategy is short strangle, which is very similar to short straddle. In short straddle, you sell out of the money call option and you sell out of the money put option. You use this strategy when you know the market is going to be sideways, and in case you put your money in this strategy and the market moves in either of the direction, you can make huge losses. So make sure you do good amount of analysis before putting your money in the strategies. Strangle is basically a more cheaper version of straddle, because instead of buying at the money, you are buying out of the money options. Hence, you can consider Strangle to be a slightly cheaper and a better version of straddle. So this would be it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep watching, stay tuned. Cheers.